Let's talk about the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or 100. Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 20th, 21st. Large numbers: 100 or 100, 250, 1,200, 200, 1,000 or 1,000, 1,000,000 or 1,000,000, 3,846, 82,043, 234,407, 3,089,342. Fractions, decimals, and percentages. An eighth, a quarter, a third, a half, 3/5, 3/5, 0.5, 1.7, 3.79, 1%, 99%.